Hey all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I'm a little excited about today's use case, but let me first give you a brief intro. So this is my channel, and this is the integration playlist. I will just say that please trust on me and just please explore at least at the bare minimum first 10 videos of this playlist. Like you can see, it covers too many things and it has too much details. Like there is the full explanation of the concept. There is implementation shown, there is proper real time use case taken, there is testing shown, then there is also documentation provided. So you can rest assured and start this playlist. You are definitely going to cover at least level 1 and 2. You can see the roadmap here which I have shown. So at the very least level, you will be definitely covering the level 1 and 2 of integration, and you will be good for the interview, whatever you will face in the future, or if you're already facing and you are like 3+ years of experience, and if you are about 2 to 3 years of experience and you already have grasp of all this, then you are fantastic. Okay. So and about this playlist, I feel that whatever I say is less, because even I am going to refer the videos again and again when I am preparing, because each and every use case here is extremely good. And apart from that, I have provided detailed documentation. There is full use case explanation, and all are real time use case. They are each and every use case that I have taken is very real, and every video covers a very vast concept, like 4 to 5 concepts I have demonstrated. So it's extremely good, and there is document provided for everything, so you don't need to worry at all. You are covered end to end in both the playlist. Like for me, I will just say that I will bet on all the videos that I have put. You are going to learn several things. If you are good already, you are going to brush up your skills. So I know that what content I put, I just know that it is extremely good. Okay, so now I'll explain today's use case. So okay, so so if you know, I am taking up the questions in the use cases from the interview part 1, which I have shared. I think part 1 is almost over, and I'm sharing from part 2. Let me just see. Okay, so this is part 1. Okay. Okay, I have not started. Okay, I think I'm at the end of part 1, and I have completed 10 to 11 questions, as you can see the number of videos. So, yeah, 11 questions I've already completed. I'm skipping that for now, and I'm going to schedule job. First of all, I want to delete the incidents which are in the system which are older. For today's video, I'm just taking for example 3 months or 6 months or 1 month. You can take 2 years or 3 years, means as per your organization's policies, legal holds, or whatever they have. So yeah, you can take whatever time duration. I'm taking 3 months or 1 month based on the data that I will have in my PDI. So yeah, so I wanted to delete the closed incidents which are older than 3 months or 6 months. Now the twist is I want to send the Excel or PDF or whatever, an attachment to the user with the list first. Okay, with the list to the user or to the group, with the list of with the list of incidents which are going to be deleted. And first I will send that Excel sheet, and then I wanted to delete it. Okay, I hope you understand the use case. Okay, so you can pause this video for 10 seconds or 5 seconds and reminisce, or sorry, and ponder like what the solutions you can give for this use case. Okay, and then you can resume the video. So yeah, so now I think it would have come in mind that you can create email notification which will first send the list of incidents. But the question is how you are going to send the list of incidents. Okay, then the answer could be mail script, where you can query the incidents. And like I think already created 2 videos on mail script where I have already shown how to fetch the incidents and how to put that information in the notification mail script. You can check out those videos also, I will link it. So two videos I've already shared. So that can be one step, that you can share the list and in the mail itself, and then you can go ahead and delete it. But the thing is the data would be in the mail itself. It would not be in the attachment. In that case, it would not be in the attachment, and it's not very much possible. I mean, if the data is in the mail itself, how can people monitor it? These files and these kind of things are for keepsaking, for keepsake. I mean, they want the data to be in their hands so that it can be monitored. Now if you are sending it in the mail only and it is not in the form of attachment, it's not very much credible. Okay, so for this reason, this solution I am not taking up. And also the second reason is I have already implemented such solutions before. So I'm not taking that up, and also that's not the requirement, and that's not what we want. So that, but of course you can implement this method which I just told. And you can reach out to me if you find any problems in the WhatsApp group. The link I will share in the description section. In LinkedIn, again, links will be shared. So yeah, you can reach out to me, and as you can see, till today I'm still responding to each and every one of you, whether it be LinkedIn, WhatsApp, YouTube, everywhere I do respond to people. So you don't have to worry on that as of now. So yeah, you can implement this on your own, and you can take the references from two mail script videos that I have shared, which is in this playlist only, interview prep playlist only. And now going ahead with the solution that I am going to implement, and this is really interesting. Okay, so we are going to create a report. First of all, we'll create a report which will be having like all the list type of report. So basically it will be having the list of incidents which we are going to clear up. Second, we will be scheduling that report. Okay, we will be scheduling that report, which means we will add there only like users and groups, email addresses, or whatever, whoever we want to send it, we will just add it. There will be subject, there will be the excel sheet, excel attachment I want to send. So the type of attachment I will choose as excel. And then I will be using a schedule job, because what we have to do, we not only have to send the attachment, we also have to delete those incidents after sending the attachment. Okay, now the second question would arise, will be that how are you going to do that? Because the email schedule will be sent, let's say you have scheduled it at a particular time. Okay, and the email is scheduled is sent, let's say, at that time. Okay, then how are you going to trigger the deletion of the incidents immediately after that? It becomes a question, because either you can put the timings like that, that you can put the schedule repeat execution, let's say at 10 a.m., and you're putting the schedule job deletion of incidents, let's say at 10:05 a.m. So you have given a gap of 5 minutes, and then you are deleting it. So that would be okay, that would be okay. But still you see, like here, it's still not very much, very, yeah, I would say that this is a good solution. And again, you can implement that, and this is acceptable solution. Honestly, this is acceptable solution. But the solution which I am going to show is even better. Okay, it's even better. I am going to this report and scheduling report I am going to do, as I said. Now in the schedule job, I will trigger the scheduled email using the script only. So we don't have to do anything. Okay, using the script only, I'll trigger that email, scheduled email report, and then report will be sent to the users, and then I will just wait for 5 seconds or so. Why? Um because it may be that it takes time to send the attachment to the user, and before that only the all the records are deleted. So the attachment will not be having the correct data. So that's the reason, there only I'll be using this is a three step process. I will give you full documentation, so you don't need to worry. For now, you can just listen and understand and focus on the video and solution, and just do that. And in documentation, I'll share either the day this video released or the one day after. As you can see, till today I have documentation for all the 19 videos in integration playlist, and all the 11 videos in the interview prep playlist, and solution is documented for all of that. So you don't need to worry about that. You can just listen and understand the solution for now. So yeah, these two steps I already told. The third step I was telling that I will be triggering the scheduled email report from the scheduled job script itself, and then I'll wait for some time, like I already explained, because there can be chances that the records are deleted first and attachment is not yet prepared, so there will be misconception, mismatch in data. So yeah, so I'll wait for 5 seconds and then I'll trigger the deletion of the records. So this is the approach I'm going to take, and this is I feel the best approach. Okay, and there is no any problem of misconception, no any issues of two things triggering, to schedule, nothing. It's very very simple and very nice. Okay, so yeah, let's first go to the incident table and see what all we can delete. Okay, I'll just put one filter which will be closed at or before. Now this can be last 3 months. Okay, we don't have any data for the last 3 months. That's the reason I was telling that we may have to check what data we have. Okay, so close before last month is this. We have 17 incidents. So these 17 incidents only I will be sending in the Excel report, and I will also be deleting it using the schedule job. Okay, so now if you know, in Yokohama this it has these reports and everything have come under platform analytics, and you can open it under usage and governance, and then yeah, you can click on new here, and that's how you can create it. So yeah, so I'm just creating a report first. Yeah, so as you can see, again, this video captures a lot of information. Like, it is having information to create report, it is having information to schedule report, it is having information for the schedule job. Again, it is having information for, triggering the scheduled email execution of reports using the schedule job. So it is having too much of information. So you must watch it till the end. I guarantee you that again you will learn a lot of new things. So it's really gonna be interesting. So let's run it. Yeah, you can see we have 17 reports here, so I'm just saving it. And from here itself, I will be scheduling the report. You can see the schedule button here. So yeah, and users, I'm adding able tutor. Why? Because I know this person has email and this person also has the notifications enabled, so I don't really need to check anything. This is very easy and go to for me. But when you are adding users in your PDI, you must take care that they have their emails and they have their notifications enabled. Otherwise, even if you do this, email will not trigger. Okay, so yeah, we are already done with first step and we are on the second step, which is scheduling the email report, clearing up incidents that are closed before 1 month, that are closed 1 month ago. That's better line. We will be clearing that incidents post this mail is sent. Yeah, and run, I will do it on demand, like I said, because I'll be triggering it using the script. Type, I will choose Excel, and page size, I will use A4. So yeah, don't need to worry much. Okay, we just submit. So email is also scheduled. Report created as we clear up incidents report, and this is scheduled as well. Now let's go to this schedule job. Schedule job. Yeah. Okay, so you can see scheduled execution of SG clear up incidents report. You can see this is the scheduled email of report which I just created here. And now, and schedule job I'm going to create. Yeah. report. Okay, and again I'm going to use it on demand. Now in your organization you can choose it as per the requirement. You can choose it daily, weekly, monthly, whatever. Since I have to just run it, so I'm using this. Okay, so first of all, like I said, first of all I have to send the mail of attachment to the users, attachment mail. So I will first trigger this. Okay, so you have to take it up from the scheduled email report table, which is this. Yeah, this is the table name, and then report.get. So I will just get that scheduled email report. So let's just check what is the sys of the scheduled report we just did. Yeah, I think this is the one. Yeah, 2 minutes ago. So I'll just copy the sys and I'll just paste it here. This is what we will be using, SNC trigger synchronizer. This is what we will be using, and then dot execute now. Yeah, so this will just execute the report. Then like I told that we have to give some delay. So we have to give some delay because it may be that while it is preparing the attachment, it is, while it is preparing the attachment, it has already deleted. So there will be mismatch of data like I explained. Now I am using GS Sleep here. I already know this GS Sleep has can have platform issues because it will hold the thread for whatever time we have given here. But for this use case we are just showcasing it using Sleep. Obviously you can use glide date and time, and you can use the event queue scheduled, and then you can even queue scheduled, and then you can and then you can run it after 5 seconds. You can go that way also, but this is easier and we are using a real time use case, so I'm just showcasing it to you. So I'll be waiting for 5 seconds, and the parameter it takes is in milliseconds. So I have given 5000, and then like I told, I'll be just triggering the deletion of records. So I'll just copy the link from here, which will be easier, and then inc.query, and then we don't really need much. I'll just do this instead of any while or anything. I think this one is simpler, and this is the best use case of delete multiple, honestly. Okay, so we'll just save it. So now we will just click on execute now. So let's check the emails, whether attachment is sent or not. To the group we added able tutor, and we added this. Okay, let me first sort it. Okay, it's already sorted. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, the subject was SG clearing up incidents that are closed 1 month ago. So yeah, this is just now. Let's just open this email. And yeah, so you can see this is the email that we created. Let's just see the content of this email. It should be having 17 records, which is 18 rows, including the header. Yeah, very good. Now let's just see the incident table, refresh it. Yeah, so as you can see, this worked wonder me. I would say I just love this use case, and I feel that you should also implement it once and check it out. And I hope you learnt again a lot from this video, because I did. I definitely did. So yeah, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope this will motivate me a lot to continue sharing, as you know it requires a lot of motivation to come up with the use cases and then organize all these things. So please, so yeah, that is that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.